ideally what we are taught, like, you choose a topic or a scenario and then let people digest it for a week. Practice that. So just a joke, I'll tell you, we as an alumni body, once we started doing online study circle, so we are choosing a topic to practice. So somebody says, let us practice love all, serve all. So we said, okay, love all, serve all. It was announced. After 2 days, somebody said, hey, it's too much, man. Love all itself is not able to handle. What serve all? So we cut it down. We said, we can't do two together. It is too much. So we did love all. So 1 week of love all was happening. We are trying to figure out how to love all. And after we met next time, so everybody was telling their stories. But a common theme came out, that nobody was able to love their bosses. Said we are able to manage a lot of things about other people. But the moment I look at my boss, my love all flies out of window, man. I see how he became my boss, I don't know. He's just lucky. Everybody thinks their boss is, but they don't know that you are also boss of somebody and they also think the same thing for you. So the chain continues. So we were wondering about it, and then he asked, I don't know, man, how to look at a boss and say I love you. Not possible. That man is really useless. So we had a discussion, no solution came out. So we said, okay, so we are not succeeded, we'll continue love all again for next week also. Because we have not succeeded in love all. So love all continued. Next week, again we got together, and he himself announced, hey, I found a way, man. I could love my boss now. So I said, what happened to you? So what did you do? So he gave a very good solution. He said, I was thinking about it, and suddenly thought came to me that the boss is idiot, no doubt about it. But I can't imagine Swami to be him. I can't imagine my Swami to do what he's doing. So, but I'm imagining now that Swami is standing next to him and telling him, tolerate him. Now imagine, if Bhagavan tells you that I have sent this fellow to you, now tolerate him. So I said, I started smiling now. The moment he'll start speaking, I'll start smiling. Because I understood that now Swami is telling me to tolerate him. So suddenly that anger, his hatred towards his boss started changing. And he said, now I'm able to look at him. When he talks, I smile back. So he's also wondering why the hell he's smiling now. So his attitude also changed for me. So in 2 weeks' time, the boss also changed, he also changed. And then he said, now at least I can see, now I can, So if you can't see Swami in everybody, at least see Swami next to him. Good attitude, no? So at least we learned from each other that, okay, that's the way we can at least attempt to love all. So even if you don't like my face, imagine Swami is next to me, finished. That's it. So then you will start loving, So good attitude. So they saw love all, forget about serve all. That is too dangerous. So like that we used to choose topics. So you all are welcome to choose. Don't make it a complicated thing, especially if the youths are involved. Don't give them Advaitik Vad and all that. Don't do such things, then it will be too much handling. Right? No chapter Bhagavad Gita, 4 chapter, 10th verse and all that. So make it practical, make it simple. What is the importance of God in your life? Why should you do prayer? When I started in education, the final verdict which Bhagavan gave me was this. He said, you're doing all the workshops and training and all that. He said, you do everything. Then he turned towards me and says, listen, if you can't do anything, the last sentence, he just turned and said to me, listen, if you can't do anything, if you feel you are not succeeding, just do one thing. Introduce God to children. That's all you do. You have done your duty.